Today's video will be discussing the advanced settings of WhatsApp. You'll need to open WhatsApp and then click on go into the settings. After you've entered the settings, you must click on privacy. Once you've clicked on the privacy option, just keep scrolling down until you reach the very bottom of the page. Once you scroll down, you'll be able to see an option right here which is clearly labeled Advanced. Pause. Within this Advanced option, you'll notice it says Protect IP address in call disable link previews. Pause. So what you need to do is simply click on this particular spot right here. After clicking, there are some options here. Some of these will be beneficial for you if you turn them off, and others will be beneficial for you if you turn them on. I will show you exactly those today. So, please pay close attention and follow along from A to Z. Here, the very first option you'll find is clearly labeled as Block Unknown Account Messages. If you proceed to turn this specific option on, it will effectively prevent anyone from an unknown account from being able to send you any SMS or text messages. Therefore, I am now going ahead and activating this particular option. The second option is Protect IP address in call. If you turn this option off, your security will be even higher and you won't have any issues using WhatsApp. So I have turned it on for you. The second point is to disable link previews. What that means is if someone sends you a link on WhatsApp, clicking on that link won't open it. This will be quite beneficial for you. If you decide you want to turn this feature on, you certainly can. And if you prefer to keep it off, you can do that as well. This is completely and entirely up to your discretion. The third and final option that's available here is called Secret Account Settings. It states very clearly here that to help protect your account, especially if you are considered to be at a high risk of being targeted by a cyber attack, then certain specific settings will be automatically locked. Most people do not need this level of protection. This will reduce the quality of your messaging experience and calls. If you wish, it is already off, so you can simply leave it disabled. If after watching this video you have found yourself to be even the slightest bit benefited or helped by its content, then I would truly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. To receive more interesting videos like this in the future, please don't forget to hit that bell icon. If you happen to not understand any specific part of the work, please do make sure to leave a comment or simply contact me through my email address. I will personally ensure that the entire process is thoroughly explained to you. If there's anything at all that you don't understand, please make sure to inbox me or just leave a comment and I will definitely reply. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the